Dear students, good morning. I am UK Singh, PGT Pol Science from Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan, Darbhanga. Dear students, it is a history class. In previous class of history, we discussed or talked about the industrial society and social change, as well as the coming of socialism to Europe and support of socialism. But today we will talk about Russian Revolution. Russia was the least industrialized European state, and the situation of Russia was reversed than the other industrialized states of Europe. Socialists took over the government in Russia through the October Revolution of 1917. The fall of monarchy in February 1917 and the events of October was known as the Russian Revolution. How did this incidents took place in Russia? What were the social and political conditions in Russia when revolution occurred? To answer these questions, let us look at Russia a few years ago of revolution. Whenever we will not understand the social and political conditions of a territory, whenever we will not understand how did an event took place in a territory, we cannot understand the real historical facts of that territory. So, now we consider the Russian Empire in 1914. So, in 1914, Russia was under the rule of Tsar Nicholas II. Besides the territory around Moscow, the Russian Empire included Finland, Latvia, Lithuania, Estonia, parts of Poland, Ukraine, and Belarus. Including all these territories, Russian Empire was composed of. It stretched to the Pacific and comprised today's Central Asian states. Russian Empire stretched to Pacific regions and comprised today's Asian states like Georgia, Armenia, Azerbaijan, etc. The major religion of Russian Empire was Orthodox Christianity. This Orthodox Russian Christianity grown out of the Greek Orthodox Church. Although besides of Russian Orthodox Christianity, Catholics, Protestants, Muslims and Buddhists also comprised in Russian Empire. Dear students, if a question is asked that describe the Russian Empire before revolution, before 1914, then you can answer by this way. Now let us talk about the economy and society of Russian Empire, which led the October Revolution 1917. At the beginning of the 20th century, the vast majority of Russia's people were agriculturalists. It means major part of population in Russia was agriculturalists or farmers. About 85% of the Russian Empire's population earned their living from agriculture. It means agriculture was the main source of living in Russian Empire. This proportion was higher than in most European countries. It means this proportion of agriculturalists was higher than other European countries in Russia. For instance, in France and Germany, the proportion was between 40% and 50% respectively. While in Russia, 85% of population was agriculturalists. Then we see that it is clear that proportion of population in Russia was higher of agriculturalists than other European countries like France and Germany, where only 40 and 50% was the proportion of population of agriculturalists in European countries. In the empire, cultivators produced for the markets as well as for their own needs. It means farmers in Russia Empire produced crops for markets as well as their own needs, own requirements. Russia was a major exporter of grain. Industry, it was the agricultural condition of Europe, of Russia. Let we see the industrial condition of Russian Empire. Industry was found in pockets. It means the number of industries was few. Prominent industrial area were St. Petersburg and Moscow, which were the prominent industrial areas of Russian Empire. St. Petersburg and Moscow were the prominent industrial areas of Russia. Craftsmen undertook much of the production. It means much of the industrial productions were produced by craftsmen or craftsperson. Large factories existed alongside craft workshops. Large industries or factories exist